Hello, sir. Excuse me.
Nice to meet you, sir. This is Sales Manager Moti from PHNIX Commercial Hot Water Heat Pump team.
Nice to meet you, Moti. My name is Ethan. I'm CEO from a company, and my first on electric heater. Now I'm very interested in heat pump series because the heat pump are developing very fast in my market. So can you introduce some products for me?
Of course, sir. For the product series, we would like to introduce the HeatSpring series. PHNIX high temperature hot water heat pump. And for the operating temperature of this heat pump is from -7 to 43 degrees. And we mainly design for the Middle East market and the South African market and the South Asian market.
Okay, that sounds great. Which model do you have for this series?
We have 3 models of this series, which is the 3.5 kilowatt, the 5.5 kilowatt, and the 7.5 kilowatt. As you can see, this is the one model, which is the 5.5 kilowatt. And for the HeatSpring series, we mainly design for the domestic hot water application, sanitary hot water application, and light commercial application.
Yes, perfect. The series compared to the electric heater, which part can stand the high efficiency?
The highest COP of the HeatSpring series can reach up to 4.6. And the pure product of this series, the COP, is from 4.1 to 4.2.
Okay, the next question. You know, Moti, some products are very difficult to control it. So I want to know, how can I control this series? Easy or difficult?
It's very easy for you to control this heat pump. And for the HeatSpring series, we mainly use the PHNIX self-developed PCB board for the display. And you can also choose the LED, LCD, color scheme display for you to make a selection. And the main function of the display, you can do the fast heating, setting the time, PV ready, and the remote operation. And you can also install the heat pump, install the display in the heat pump, or hold it in your hand, or install it in the wall. It's very simple and high efficiency.
Okay, good. It's very smart and intelligent. So, you know, 55 degrees are required in using and in a daily life. So, what's the max outlet temperature do you have?
For the HeatSpring series, the maximum outlet temperature can reach up to 70 degrees. And it can satisfy the requirement of the sanitary hot water. And it can also do the sterilization in the water tank and provide the clean and healthy water to the users.
Okay, perfect. Do you have another advantage for this series?
And for the other advantage of the HeatSpring series, we would like to introduce 2 main components. The first one is the DC motor. HeatSpring series mainly use the high efficiency DC motor, and when the heat pump is operating in the high ambient temperature, it can help to reduce the rotation of the flame blade and also reduce the evaporation and the overload of the compressor. And the second one is the water pump. HeatSpring series mainly use the grain flow water pump, which made by the anti-corrosion material. It can help the heat pump operating in high ambient temperature and long service life.
Okay, let me see this model. So, what material are you using for this casing?
For this model, the casing type is plastic. And you can also choose the stainless steel and the blank shield material.
Okay, that's great. So, which kind of color for option?
For the color option, you can choose the white one as you can see, and the black one and the dark gray one.
Okay, I like black one. So how about this logo?
This is the PHNIX logo. And for the logo selection, we highly recommend you to choose your own brand and stick in the heat pump, or no brand. And for the material selection, you can not only choose the plastic, but also the element and the crystal material.
Okay, it's good. Where is the nameplate? I can't find it.
The nameplate is here.
Okay, let me see, please.
This is the nameplate of the PHNIX 5.5 kilowatt heat pump. And you can check many specification information in the nameplate, such as the rated voltage and the frequency. And also, you can check the COP in the nameplate, which is the 4.66, and the other information, such as the noise, the net weight, and the net dimension.
Okay, which kind of certification do you have for this series?
For this heat pump, we can certificate by the CE certification. You can also check the CE on the nameplate.
Okay, I can get so much information from the nameplate. Where is the water connection?
Here is the inlet and outlet water connection of the HeatSpring series.
Okay, why did you design it in the back?
The reason why we decided inlet and outlet water connection in the back is mainly for save the space for the installation.
Okay,
Because we have the water pump installed in near the heat pump, and you can connect the heat pump to the water tank. Click, clock. It's very simple and very easy for you to do an installation.
okay, it's so good. How about this blue one?
This blue one is the fin heat exchanger. And for the color, you can also choose the golden one fin heat exchanger.
Okay, I prefer golden one. Okay, where is the compressor? I can't find it.
The compressor is located in this part. And for the compressor, we mainly use the grease brand compressor.
Okay, so good. So, how about the tube exchanger?
The 2-inch shell heat exchanger is located in this part. And the inlet and all outlet water connection is connected to the 2-inch shell heat exchanger.
Okay, it's so good. So perfect.
My pleasure, sir. And here is my business card.
Okay, thank you very much.
If you have any other questions or any other requirements, please feel free to contact us. And we will send an email and send all the information you need to you.
Okay, great.